Let me introduce myself to you all. I'm Shivali Jain. I'm the co-founder of Global Edge. We are education consultants with an experience of more than 11 years. My team has counseled more than 57,000 students till now, and we are helping students in more than 21 countries, okay, for gaining admission and study abroad options. Now, the uniqueness is that we represent all Irish universities, institutes, and colleges. We authorize representatives, and we work directly with them. Now, career prospects in Ireland. The most important part why we are having so many students going to Ireland nowadays, and it's becoming a very hot destination between people. So people who are already working or are aware of the work culture and the working things, they know how the destination Ireland is giving jobs to people. So how the companies are setting up. So Ireland has 15 of the top 20 medical companies. This is just a list I've tried to put down of the medical companies which are based in Ireland. You will see the biggest names of the world set up in Ireland. Okay, so like Johnson's and Johnson. Some of them you might be familiar with, and some not. But please understand they are world leaders when it comes to that industry. Boston Scientific and Abbott, Medtronic, Siemens, Covidien, Pfizer, Baxter, GE Healthcare, Abbott, Roche. So these Hospira, they are the biggest companies for medical equipments, medical drugs, and they are all having headquartered in Ireland. Then we have the ICT companies that I've been talking of. So IBM, Intel, Adobe, Dell, Apple, Oracle, SanDisk, SAP. There are many more. I've just tried to pick up a few and put them here. There is a website called Grad Ireland. You can go on that and see there is a whole lot of list of companies, what are the expectations, requirements, and it keeps on changing after every 15 days, to keep abreast with the information. So the multinationals, there is Google, Amazon, Facebook, KPMG, LinkedIn, JP Morgan, Citibank, PepsiCo, SAP, EY, Yahoo, Coca-Cola. Facebook is also there, and we have SAP. So Audi, Amazon. So, guys, there is everything under the sun that I think of. I've always seen it. They have a office in Ireland. In fact, a lot of Indian companies like TCS, Wipro, and Biocon, they have their headquarters in Ireland. And the thing is that they are sending their employees to study and start working in Ireland also. So we have a lot of Indian companies who send their people there because they have set up their offices. TCS also has office in Dublin. Then I have Wipro students going, and we have Biocon. That lady herself has studied from Ireland. She's an alumni of UCC. So this is an important point. Average starting salary in Ireland is approximately 25 to 40 lakhs per annum. Please understand this is true. Every fresher also who's done his master's in Ireland, he starts off with a salary of 25 lakh rupees per annum, which is very high and one of the highest in the international arena. When you go for a master's program, a starting salary being so high, it's a very good package that they pay. You can call on my landline. It is 48475000. My office is in Green Park. We have an office, and this is the email ID, counseling@globaledge.net.in. If you want to send your documents in there, we can assess them and come back to you. We help in all these things, that is counseling, shortlisting, applications, admissions, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. So I hope to get back to you also.